This boat is a 2019 Harris 220 Solstice with a performance pontoon package, shown here in ebony metallic with a sparkling champagne accent and black edition powder coat fence and black suntop frames. The bimini top on this boat is an electric power top. The floor plan is the big rear-facing lounger in the almond interior, and the flooring is woven teak with dark lines. This particular boat has the prestige trim level, which includes LED stainless steel docking lights and the upgraded black acrylic table, and also incorporates the convenience package with a quotable cup holder, the upgraded steering wheel, and quick release fenders. This boat has the total lighting package with LED lighted drink holders, LED red, green, blue rope lighting around the seat bases, and underwater and underdeck lighting. The captain's seat is an ultra-luxe high-back chair, and there is a removable jump seat at the bow. The sound system is a JL Diamond series with a power amp and subwoofer. There's a dual battery system with an onshore battery charger. The engine is a 225 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke with digital throttle and shift controls and power assist steering.